Shedeur Sanders in that mini camp today in Cleveland, he is going to put the cuffs on that quarterback position. Lock it down, throw away the key. Everything is in his ballpark. It's under his control. He controls his own destiny. He's focused. His rollouts, his running and throwing the ball. I mean, the receivers catching everything, the handoffs. He was smooth. He was focused. Excellent job by Shedeur Sanders today in that mini camp. Everything's going to work in his favor. This is your servant, the world's top cop, with news on Cuff Sports Radar.